Dennis again, back here at Roost Vans. Well, actually, I never really left. So what we're going over is our entire paneling system, but right now this video we're going to focus on the upper. It's really this bamboo that you're seeing here. It's also available as fabric wrapping. Currently we're looking at a 148 extended body transit van, and we kind of did a customization of the light package. Typically our light package is one row of lights available as DIY product on our website. In this van we added a second row in order to increase the lighting quite a bit, actually. All the paneling comes in bamboo. It's finished in Osmo if you choose. It's a hard wax, super easy product to work with, to finish, to refinish, to buff up, and to maintain. It's also available as unfinished bamboo if you want to put your own finish on it, and as I said before, in fabric wrapped paneling as well. Comes standard in a gray heather as seen on the mid walls, and there's other custom options available as well on our website. Comes pre-cut, ready to pop in, compatible with our smooth rail mounting system. It is serviceable without removing your rails. So if you need to get into your ceiling, you can unscrew the thread forming screws and pull the paneling down super easy. It's really robust. We've installed this paneling in almost 100 vans now, and we've had great usage and great feedback from all of our customers for longevity. From roostvans.com, check us out.